What is up, King Secretaries? My name is Himanshu. I am someone who plays with Instagram a lot and creates videos about Instagram a lot in YouTube. Last week we talked about 10 contents on Instagram that can go viral. I will share a link here and there somewhere. And in the last point, I told you about giveaway that actually it is very important. That's why in this video I will give you hints and tips about actually do a profitable giveaway that will actually increase your sales, offers, etc. First of all, we will go with type of giveaway and then we will go in detail with how to do and what to do and what not to do. Number 1, external attraction giveaway. In this type of giveaway, many people will actually ask you to subscribe to their YouTube channel, subscribe to their podcast, and to follow them on Instagram, TikTok, etc. But in my terms, this giveaway is total BS because they will follow you or they will subscribe to your channel only for just the sake of following you or for subscribing to your channel, but they will be not interested in your content. That will actually decrease engagement in your content and that will drop down engagement rate and that will actually hurt your account in YouTube, in Twitter, in Instagram or in any other platform. So that's why this giveaway is not we are going to do. Number 2, blunder giveaway. Yes, actually many people host this type of giveaway. They actually don't know their giveaway is actually blunder for them. Why? I will tell you. That giveaway in short is not giving something that is actually relatable to your content, relatable to your service, offer or product. Like for example, my content is related to Instagram and social media and I am giving away a fridge that is not related to my content. That is actually blunder mistake I can do. Instead, if I give away you a full month of content calendar, a full month of content service, etc., that will actually be beneficial for you and me both because actually that will generate connection between us. And talking about connection, you have to check out my previous video. That is actually important for making 10 type of content that will actually make your post go viral or that will actually increase engagement in Instagram. Number 3, the best giveaway. Yes, this is something that I will discuss step by step. So stay tuned till the last moment in this video. First of all, select the price that you wanted to give for giveaway. And point to be noted, as I told you, not to give away something that is not relatable to your offer, to your service, to your product. If it is relatable to you, your service, your offer, then that audience will actually continue to follow you or to subscribe to your channel or to engage with you because that content is actually relatable to them, that giveaway is actually relatable to them. For example, few days ago my mentor Vanessa Lau, she actually created a giveaway to give her YouTube equipments that she used in starting her YouTube channel. That is actually good for YouTubers like me and that is actually related to her niche because her YouTube channel is related to social media, entrepreneurship and business. So that is actually good for her and for us too because people that will participate in giveaway will actually get something related to them because they are following her for creating a YouTube channel, for creating YouTube videos and related to YouTube related stuff and Instagram related stuff. Creating videos is actually important thing for them and she is giving away something related to it. So that is actually a special type of giveaway that I am talking about. Step number 2, decide what you all wanted in return of giving away that thing or that service or that coaching course. Like be real. If someone is giving you something, there must be something you should give them in return. It should be like 1:1 giveaway. Here you will follow me back and I will give you something special related to me and you. For example, I am giving you away 30 content ideas. Then I will ask you what is something that is actually important for you in Instagram, what you needed to know about Instagram. So I will get content ideas and I will share some stuff with you. That is actually 1:1 giveaway. I am getting something, you are getting something. That is important for both of us. Like for example, in return I want you to share my videos, my posts, etc. to your stories. That is actually a special type of giveaway. In short, before making a giveaway, you should know your end goal of giveaway. Decide time limit for contest giveaway. Yes, that is actually one of the most important thing that people will not give up and they will lose the opportunity. The best duration is from 1 week to month, not less than that, not more than that. But then also it depends upon your priority. Longer will be the giveaway, larger will be the community interested in that giveaway, but not more than a month, like I told you about. Number 3, generate curiosity, generate excitement in your audience about it. Yes, your audience are the one that will actually increase reach of your giveaway. Like for example, even before starting giveaway, 1 week ago, I started to tease my audience about that giveaway, that something special is coming, some offer special is coming, something is coming for them. That is actually good to generate interest in your community, so that your community will help you in reaching more and more audience that will be interested in the giveaway earlier than starting giveaway. Like for example, I am giving away Instagram guide, and in return I wanted my audience to share to their stories, share to their posts, etc. But then also I will say you, don't force anyone to follow you back, etc. because actually that will only decrease your engagement rate. Number 4, another blunder mistake many people do, that is not actually selecting a campaign hashtag. For example, you will use giveaway hashtag, that is not going to run for a long time in that hashtag, and that is actually not going to reach more people, and that will be not be useful for your future giveaways too. It is probably possible you will do many more giveaways in future too. So to relate this giveaway to your future giveaways, campaign hashtag is really important. Decide a campaign hashtag before even starting giveaway. But then also be careful with the hashtag you are doing for giveaway. It should not be the banned one, otherwise your account will be shadow banned. And shadow ban is a real thing. I have dealt with it 4 times, that's why I know. Actually, I can see you is invent your own hashtag and then check out that there is no post related to it. Like for example, you are inventing a hashtag, then actually check out. Like for example, I am creating a hashtag Himanshu. Then in Himanshu, I want to have only my post. That's why it is actually important to have unique hashtag for that campaign giveaway. But actually, what are the things that you can give away to turn your subscriber, to your followers, into your buyers of your product, into your clients, etc. So that's why stay tuned, because in the next video I am sharing with you exact procedure of making free buys or giveaways that will actually turn your followers, your subscriber to your clients organically. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, because you will not be interested in missing that video that will be actually impactful. Please like this video, share this video, comment your feedback on this video, because actually it will help me with the algorithm in YouTube. Meanwhile, you can watch this amazing videos somewhere here and there, because I started creating about Instagram only. That is actually my niche. Wish you a great weekend ahead. See you next time. Till then, smile, because it's